So open up the image that you're going to edit and crop it if you need to. Then you want to make your image black and white, so image adjustments. If you go to image adjustments, black and white first time round, then you can make your image more exaggerated. It doesn't do it now because I've just desaturated, but if you do that in the first instance, then it can be more effective. Or you can go to image adjustments and then levels and have a play and experiment with the effects of each of those sliders to get the desired effect that you want. Obviously you want it to be quite tonal so that it replicates the style of the artist. You can also experiment with the brightness and the contrast of the image. Just to make that a little bit more dramatic. Then you go to Files, Export as JPEG, and then also go to File, Export as Photoshop file so that you can edit that again later if needs be. What also would be really good is to edit all of your photos like this, all of the successful ones. It's quite hard to do a digital response, but once you've done this, I would just start on a copy of one of these.